As our people are making the difference in logistics, we truly believe that A-SAFE is making a difference in barrier solutions, in protecting our people, properties and facilities. Katoen Natie is an international logistics service provider who is active in 39 countries and in 5 continents. We have roughly working 15,000 people worldwide for us. The site of Ghent, it's a multi-customer site where we work for different customers in our business unit, consumer goods and industries. And the site itself, it's 350,000 square meter covered warehouses, and we work with approximately 1,000 people here on the site of Ghent. The partnership or the collaboration with A-SAFE started in 2018. It was one of the first projects where we had a tender, and A-SAFE became our preferred partner since then. In the Ghent facility we have approximately 1 kilometer of A-SAFE, a different range of products, but all A-SAFE barrier solutions.
We have most of the A-SAFE centralized in Warehouse 35, where also our automation is located, which of course we want to protect as much as possible. So that is one very large installation, and then we have a number of other installations of A-SAFE spread around warehouses to protect the team lead desks, specific packing stations, to protect the people and to separate them from the machines that are driving around. I'm in charge of the decision making to choose which kind of products to install, in the sense that in the past we've been using products that are possibly moving or breaking more easily, and since we've been using A-SAFE, we can clearly see that has been completely different. It's very hard to break, and it has a much longer life expectancy. We have clearly seen the cost reducing because we have a lot less maintenance costs, we have a lot less repair costs afterwards. Repair for the floor, maintenance for the metal that was bent, for the previous solutions that we've been using. With A-SAFE that has been completely different. There has been a damage of course, which is inevitable, but it's much easily fixed, and the duration is much longer.
A-SAFE was selected because we did what we call a tender, but also we tested the products ourselves. And in those tests, together with the proven tests already of A-SAFE, they came out as the best in class.
You cannot know how it works before you've seen it in action. You can clearly see the value that it brings for the safety of our people.
With every project we do, we calculate a return on investment. And with the A-SAFE product, we see that the return on investment is between 1 and 2 years compared with steel or other barrier solutions. We see lower maintenance and lower general damage or repair costs for sure, and we see less repairs on concrete. What we can see with steel barriers, we have a collapse with steel barriers, but we always have damage on our concrete floors. With the A-SAFE products, we don't have that.
For the company to invest more money in this product, I think it's very good because I feel I'm safe here.
Katoen Natie has a large trust in A-SAFE, since we are continuously placing more for new startups, new opportunities. And here in my operation, for example, only recently we have placed 6 additional barriers in Warehouse 36.